Okay, if you ever feel like you're making money but somehow still always broke, this video is for you. We're breaking down the sneaky budgeting mistakes that are draining your wallet, and yeah, you're probably doing at least one of them. But don't worry, I'm not here to shame you, I'm here to save you some serious cash. So let's fix that budget and get you back in control of your money, starting right now. Mistake number 1. Failing to plan for irregular expenses. You've got your budget lined up like a good little checklist. Rent, check. Groceries, check. Netflix, obviously. But then out of nowhere, your car makes a weird noise, your dentist hits you with the dreaded "we need to talk," or your pet decides it's the perfect time for an emergency. And just like that, your whole budget's in flames. Why? Because you only planned for the usual suspects and ignored the sneaky life happens costs that always pop up. Things like random medical bills, car repairs, holiday gifts, or office birthday contributions. These aren't once-in-a-lifetime surprises, they're just forgotten. That's where a simple fix comes in. Build a life happens fund into your budget. Seriously, just stash a small amount every month into a buffer fund in future. You won't be out here panicking with $14 and 3 weeks till payday. And trust me, once you've got that cushion, everything else gets way easier to manage. Mistake number 2. Misalignment of budgeting with income timing. Here's one that quietly wrecks a lot of people's budgets. Your income and your spending habits are totally out of sync. You get paid once a month, but you're out here living like it's payday every Friday. That deposit hits your account, and suddenly you feel like a millionaire. You treat yourself a little, breathe easier, maybe even splurge a bit. But fast forward 2 weeks, and now you're staring at your bank app like, wait, where did all my money go? That's what happens when your budget doesn't match your cash flow. If your income comes in monthly, your budget has to stretch monthly. That means pacing your spending week by week, so you're not living like a king in week 1 and surviving off cereal and water by week 4. Schedule your bills smart, spread out your essentials, make that money last. Because once your timing lines up with your real life, the end-of-month panic, the random overdraft charges, gone like magic. Wait, don't scroll. If you're trying to get your finances together, you want this. I created a 4-tab budget tracker that does all the work for you. It automatically tracks your income, expenses, savings, and debt monthly and yearly with clean, beautiful charts and dashboards. Need to organize your budget by month? Done. Want to stay on top of bills? There's a smart bill calendar that shows everything visually paid versus due and updates your progress bars in real time. Just enter your transactions and everything else updates instantly. And here's what makes it even better. No calculators, all the math is done for you. You get a step-by-step PDF and a video tutorial to walk you through everything. It works on all devices. All you need is a free Google account. You can reuse it forever, no need to repurchase. The best part, you'll also get a fully automated, totally visual habit tracker for free. This will help you track daily, weekly, and monthly habits, plus sleep, stress, and energy levels effortlessly. If you're ready to feel in control of your money, click the link in the description and grab your budget tracker with the free habit tracker. Mistake number 3. Over-reliance on short-term credit. If payday loans or cash advances are your go-to survival plan, your budget is already waving a white flag. It always starts as a one-time thing, just a quick fix to get you to next week. But next week shows up, and now you're stuck paying fees just to stay broke. It's like trying to empty a sinking boat with a tiny bucket. You're still going under, just a little slower. The real issue isn't that short-term credit exists, it's that your budget doesn't have a safety net. If you're constantly borrowing from next paycheck you, then current you is either overspending or not planning for the unexpected. And that cycle, it's exhausting. The interest stacks up, the stress builds, and any sense of financial freedom slips further out of reach. But here's the shift: ditch the debt crutch and build a small emergency stash instead. Even $20 a week adds up. That little buffer turns financial chaos into control. And once you're no longer depending on loans just to survive the week, that's the moment everything starts to change. Mistake number 4. Not tracking expenses. Look, if you're not tracking your spending, you're basically handing your money a pair of sneakers and saying, "Go wild, I'll deal with you later." And spoiler alert, you won't find it. This is exactly how a few $10 swipes, a random takeout order, and just one more coffee turns into, wait, why do I only have $3.17 and it's Wednesday? You think you're being responsible, your rent's covered, the fridge has food, but those little untracked splurges, they're budget ninjas. Sneaky, silent, and absolutely brutal over time. But here's the thing. Tracking your expenses isn't about obsessing over every cent. It's about awareness. It's being able to say, okay, maybe I didn't need Uber twice yesterday. The moment you start writing it down, even just in your notes app or a basic tracker, you start shifting from confusion to control. And once you see where your money actually goes, you can finally tell it where to go next. Mistake number 5. Not adjusting the budget regularly. You know what kills a lot of budget? Treating them like they're written in stone. Like, yeah, you made that perfect plan last month when gas was a little cheaper, rent hadn't gone up, and you weren't randomly obsessed with your new gym routine. But life doesn't stay still, so why should your budget? Prices shift, priorities change, new expenses pop up out of nowhere. If your budget isn't changing with your life, it's not guiding you, it's trapping you. Think of your budget like a GPS. If you take a detour, it's got to recalculate, right? Same goes here. New job, update it. Surprise bill, adjust it. Forgot you signed up for a free trial that definitely wasn't free. Fix it. The rhythm is simple. Set it, review it, tweak it. People who actually win with money aren't the ones with the prettiest spreadsheets. They're the ones who stay flexible and make adjustments when life throws curveballs. Mistake number 6. Not accounting for inflation or price increases. Let's talk about a budget killer that hits hard every single year: inflation. It's that sneaky force that makes your money feel weaker than yesterday's coffee. One day, your usual grocery run feels normal, and the next, you're spending double and walking out with half the stuff. That's inflation doing its thing. And if your budget hasn't changed since last year, you're basically bringing a butter knife to a sword fight. What worked 6 months ago might not even cover the basics today because prices don't wait around for you to catch up. Rent rises. Gas creeps up. Even your favorite cereal somehow costs more and weighs less. So if your budget isn't growing with the real world, it's not a plan, it's a fantasy. Update it, rework it, make space for rising costs before they steamroll your savings. Because, let's be honest, being broke because you overspent is one thing. But being broke when you thought you were doing everything right, that's the kind of gut punch that stings the most. Mistake number 7. Using a budget only for cutting back. Let's get one thing straight. A budget is not a punishment. It's not some boring, soul-crushing list of fun things you're not allowed to do anymore. But that's how most people treat it, like a financial diet. No fun, no joy, just surviving on rice and regrets. But budgeting isn't about saying no to life. It's about saying yes to the stuff that actually matters to you. Want to travel? Cool budget for it. Eyeing a new laptop, camera, or gaming setup? Yep, budget for that too. A good budget isn't just about cutting back. It's about cutting out the things you don't care about so you can go all in on the stuff you do. Because here's the truth. Money without a plan disappears. Fact. But money with a purpose. That's when it starts working for you, not against you. And that's the kind of control that actually feels like freedom. Wait, don't scroll. Are you trying to lose weight, stay motivated, or just get it together? You'll love this. I made a one-tab weight loss tracker that does it all for you. It tracks your body changes over 12 months, auto-calculates your BMI, shows your progress with beautiful charts and icons, and unlocks rewards as you hit goals. Just enter your measurements, and that's it. No math, no formulas, simply watch your progress unfold. And here's what makes it even better. It comes in 4 gorgeous colors so you can pick your vibe. You get a step-by-step video tutorial to walk you through everything. It works on all devices. All you need is a free Google account. You can reuse it forever. No need to repurchase. The best part, you'll also get a fully automated, totally visual habit tracker for free. This will help you track daily, weekly, and monthly habits, plus sleep, stress, and energy levels effortlessly. So if you're ready to stick to your goals and finally feel proud of your progress, click the link in the description and grab your weight loss tracker with the free habit tracker. And that's it. If any of those budgeting mistakes hit a little too close to home, hey, you're not alone. The good news, you've got the awareness now and the power to change it. If this video helped you out, like this video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which mistake you've made. We've all got at least one. Or what tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.